In this video, I'm going to show you how to upscale images with Higgsfield AI. So the first thing you want to do here on Higgsfield AI website, you want to sign into your account or create one if you don't have one yet. And then you want to go to up here where you can see it says image. And then inside image here on the left, you want to go down and it says image upscale. So just click on image upscale. And then here you can go ahead and just upload your media. So click on upload media and then you have to upload your image. I'm just going to search for an image over here, for example, this one, and I'm going to click on open, and then it's going to start uploading in. And when the image is uploaded, you'll be able to go ahead and select the model. Right now it says there's a service disruption. I'm just going to ignore this because it just worked for me a second ago, so no biggie. You have two different ones here. You can select whichever one you want. You can select the scale factor. I'm going to do 2x over here, and then inside advanced settings you can set any of these presets over here. For example, you have the standard, you have the high fidelity version 2, text refine, art and CG, and then the low res as well. And then here you can select your sharpness. You can go ahead and adjust this if you wanna, and you can also select how much you want to denoise, and if you want a face enhancement in case there's faces in your image, which in my case there are not, you can go ahead and turn this on as well and click on upscale. Now this is going to then start upscaling, and then I have an example over here. So as you can see, I have the original image, and then I also have the upscaled image, which I upscaled at 2x, and you can go ahead and enter this compare mode down here at the bottom left. And after you enter that compare mode, you'll be able to go ahead and compare these images from left to right. Over here, you can see the before and after, and you'll see how your upscaling actually worked. And if you're happy, you can use that, or you can just rerun it and actually get a better or a different upscale. Okay, so that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.